Today I'm reviewing the MacBook Creator Case and the Sling Case, both by Sandmarc. This is the MacBook Creator Case by Sandmarc. This is the 14-inch version. It also comes in 16-inch. I have a 13-inch MacBook Air right here. Now let's open it up and take a deeper look. Okay, let's test out the MacBook Creator Case. It's made with a ballistic nylon. It has weatherproof lining and zippers. It's very lightweight. I'll of course start by putting my MacBook in there. This is a 13-inch MacBook Air. So there's two compartments, one on the side and one on the top. Let's use the side compartment. Actually, I think there's enough room for my iPad Pro too. Just stick them both in there. Wow, it's pretty light with both of those in there. Okay, let's open the top now. There's a few different sized pockets in here, some for pens, some for devices. Let's actually start with the AirTag. There's a special pocket for AirTags. And there, now it's nice and hidden. You can stick a smartphone in here. Let's go with an SD card. Got my little portable lav mic. A couple of other accessories we'll toss in there. Here's my AirPods Pro. This is actually a Sandmarc leather case. You know what? Let's pop in an Apple Pencil, a regular pen. Let's try that out. Perfect, still pretty light. I like this handle. You know what? I'm not done. I want to bring my mouse with me and a selfie stick. Okay, now it's bulging a little bit, but I mean, it still works. It's still actually really light with all these devices in here. Perfect. It also fits inside travel backpacks. So this is a great case. It holds everything that I need. It's durable, it's lightweight. Can't go wrong. And it looks good too. Okay, this is the Hybrid Sling case from Sandmarc. It's lightweight, it's made of ballistic nylon. It has a weatherproof lining and zippers. And it's a nice design too. Okay, this is the Hybrid Sling case up close. Let's start with the middle pocket. So they have a bunch of little pouches here. Can stick my AirPods in here. Maybe a high-speed charging cable. Tuck it in like that. And of course the power adapter. Now this side can accommodate lenses like the Sandmarc lenses, which I don't have, but there's plenty of other things that fit in these pockets too. There's also a pen holder. Stick my Apple Pencil in there too. Now there's another compartment here. You can stick things like a passport in here. You can slip my power bank in here. Little travel tripod. And there's a third compartment in the back. Sandmarc claims you can stick an iPad mini in there, so let's try that out. And of course you can just slip a phone in there as well. I'm still left with plenty of room here because I don't have lenses. Let's stick a gimbal in here. And there we go. Perfect. And it comes with a strap so you can wear it. And there you go, another two great cases by Sandmarc. I'm happy to recommend them. They're durable, lightweight, stylish. You really can't go wrong. For more reviews like this, please subscribe to my channel. Likes are always appreciated, and thank you so much for watching.